Joseph says, dude, first of all, thank you for your vids. Helps give me some insight into the risk management framework, ISO stuff, and just got tricked into being an ISO as currently the jack of all trade. You know, that's how it works, Joseph. You're in good company because that's the same thing that happened to me. I got tricked into it. I was in the Air Force when this happened. I was active duty. I was all excited. I was like, oh man, I'm gonna be a Unix administrator. I'm gonna be like Bill Gates. I'm gonna invent some. Yeah, I had all these aspirations of what I was going to do and my talent and stuff. And then what do? They stuck me in certification and accreditation in a cube with no windows on a skiff on a classified network where I couldn't interact with anybody. And I'm sitting there reading policies. I'm like, what the hell is this? What the like? What? This isn't Bill Gates. This isn't Microsoft. This isn't Linux. This isn't inventing new things. I was mad. I was upset, and I'm just reading through policies, and it was torture. It was like I was being tortured to death with boredom. I'm like researching regulations that are 20 years old, and I'm like, it was torture, man. It wasn't fun. But what I found is I was good at it because I have a long patience. If you have good patience for this job, Joseph, speaking directly to you, sir, this job takes a lot of patience. The rewards in the end are great. Let me just explain to you the rewards. Right now, I'm in another country. Let me see if I can flip this camera around. This right here is a result of me being an information system security officer for many, many years and having a lot of patience. What do I mean by that? I'm able to travel the world, and in a few days, I'm going to another country. I'm going to Bali. I can travel because I've been a cybersecurity person for so long that I was able to save enough money and create businesses and stuff around what I do. Like, this is what I'm doing here is all part of a business I created. It's a side income. It's a side hustle. It doesn't make a lot of money. The income streams are enough to where I can live off of this. And what I'm saying is I'm not telling you to, oh, go start a course, go do this or that. No, you can do real estate, man. The money that I used from doing this stuff, from all those times that I was locked away in a closet reading regulations, and having patience with difficult customers, because you're gonna have to deal with that too. It allowed me to reinvest my money to have more time in my life and to travel and to be around people that I love. That's what this whole thing's about. That's what I learned. When I was younger, I was like, oh, Bill Gates, because I looked up to, all these geeks and stuff, and I wanted to be like them. But what I realized is, man, that shit doesn't matter, man. What really matters is time, not money. What really matters is time, your time. If you put the time in now and sacrifice for your kids, your family, or whatever, your significant other, whatever the case may be, yourself. When you get later in life, like myself, I now have more time because I was able to leverage all of those hard hours, use some of that money that I made to put it into real estate, start businesses, help other people in my life. The main thing I've done is help other people to grow. And that means a lot to me. When I'm on my deathbed, one of these days, I'm no longer here. That'll be the thing that I'm most proud of, is that I was able to help other people to get into another level of their life and make their life easier. When you're doing this job as an information system security officer or compliance or whatever, and you're just thinking this freaking sucks, just think of it like this. Everything you're doing now is planting the seeds for your life later on, to have more time for yourself and to have for your family. I'm offered all these high paying positions. What I do with that money is I invested for other people to have a better life. My life is good, man. I've been blessed with long patience and enough patience to learn things. I'm not a genius. I just have more patience than most people. I'm just willing to keep reading it over and over again. That's it. I'll read it 50 times if it takes that amount of time for me to learn it, and I have the patience to do it. That's it. I'm not a genius. I'm not Elon Musk. Him and I are about the same age, by the way. And I'm not him. I just read stuff over and over again until I understand it. I'm a very average person who's been given exceptionally long patience to learn things, and I use the power of that to help other people. And now you have the same thing given to you, man. Appreciate it. I mean, it took me a long time to appreciate this, but now I appreciate it.